Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here at Steve Hoskin construction building site here with operator Simon. Simon, you've been operating for some time now and you're now a Leica Geosystems machine control user. I've just been seeing you do the trenches here for the plots. And first of all, tell me a little bit about yourself and how you got into the industry.
I'm 58 years old. I've been driving now for about 25 years. I used to be a lorry driver, then driving low loaders, decided to opt for driving a machine.
And so when you started driving machines, you know, machine control obviously then came in, and the team here are now using it on most of their sites.
Yeah.
Well, how long have you been using machine control yourself for?
About 12 months.
12 months, okay. So, so it's like a relatively short period of time.
Yes, it is, yes.
Obviously, it's all about the fact that the basics are there. You know, you're a machine operator, you've been trained how to do that. How does machine control as almost a guide help you do your day job?
It makes life so much easier for the driver. It's all there on the screen for you. You haven't got to wait for a man on the ground to set your levels out. It's all there ready to go.
And so again, you're doing lots and lots of plots here. So
Yes.
all the plots get put into your tablet there and you can go around all the different sites as and when you're ready, I guess.
Yes. As you move on through the site, you phone our office and Harry in the office sets it all up for us.
So he's literally pinging it over the waves into your machine.
Exactly that.
So tell me a little bit about the start and the things you've learned in the last 12 months about the machine control and how you're using it now and the benefits it gives you.
Well, I think, you know, basically from driving a machine pin to pin, as we used to do in the olden days, yeah, it just makes life so much easier. Yeah, I think it's the way forward.
So Harry's there, your engineer, but previously would have come in, put the pegs in and left and things like that.
Exactly that.
But now you've got that better kind of relationship, I guess, between the two of you.
Yeah, I think it is. I think it's a lot of emphasis on the driver now, rather than having a man on the ground with your laser level and your staff and your hammer and pins. That doesn't happen anymore.
Yeah.
It's all based on the driver.
And so when you finish a plot, you know, typically you'd be waiting around for the next plot to be ready, but now you're literally
just carry on.
Tracking on.
Just carry on.
Okay.
It's a lot quicker.
And what would you say to somebody your age that's been in the industry for a long time, but about, you know, getting into a machine for the first time and where you are now for using machine control? What advice would you give someone?
It was a bit daunting to start with, but I think once you get your head around it, it's like you've never not had it in there. It's a natural thing to be using.
Well, natural thing to be using. Simon has actually got a lot of work to do, folks. I'm stopping him doing that. He's got another plot literally next door to do that. Thanks very much for spending time with me today, Simon. It's been great to meet you and to discover your journey. And remember, folks, it is just an aid, the machine control. Having a skilled operator is critical to getting the site successful, isn't it, Simon?
Most definitely.
He's certainly that, folks. Cheers. Nice to meet you.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.